Right guys, first day of level 3 lockdown. We're back on the horse here. We're gonna do the bag walk, 2 light pole distance. Okay, this is Kyle. Maybe it's the first time you're seeing Kyle, but this is Kyle. Smile, Kyle. We got 2 light poles to go. Going up is a bit crappy because of the sun just about to peep, and the videos are gonna be a bit shaky. But hey, you're all sleeping and we're working. Oh shit! And there's this thing, the back walk. Not the duck walk, the back walk. Come on, get it, get it. Let's go jogging, jogging. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I'm gonna pause it and get it back when we're going down. We'll change over here.
Thank you.
And we're lapping again.
Come down. You come up in reverse. Come.
I'm privileged, man. I did the shit at 4 AM in the morning. No, I'm not lying. This is how it's gonna be. We got 10 down and 10 up. So it's gonna be a long video. Right, we're back at the bottom. Our Ditz is gonna make a turn here, and Kyle is gonna come up backwards. Alright, let's go, guys. Come on. For all those people that are sleeping, and for those that are going back to work, we exercising. You know, the usual story. Not so funny, the videos now. Somebody's busting fireworks, crackers. Come on, man. Let's go put some pep in your step. Hey, hey. Kyle, I'm overtaking you. Look at me. Look at me. Come on. Look at me. Oh, shit. This is way up there. Let's try and catch him. Let's check what his breathing is like. Ha ha. He's doing a backward shuffle. He's doing a third shuffle. That's a Ditz shuffle. That's it. That's it. Sucking that oxygen. Breathe. Breathe. Woosah. There we go. And we got to change over. We're sucking oxygen. Okay, guys. Enjoy your first day of level 3. Wait for the people. Wait for the people. Wait for the people. Yeah, this is where we die.